Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Yes, you read it right. You can easily sell options with this low margin as well, and there is a particular strategy which you need to follow. If you want to sell options, why do we sell options? Is because the probability of winning in selling options and making money is higher, and this strategy will also teach you how to hedge that properly so that you don't lose out on the days when the market starts trending. So without further delay, let's get started with the video. Before we start the video, let's have a look at the community tab on my channel where I keep posting my regular profit and loss screenshots. I will also tell you which are the points I've taken the entry. I will also tell you what are the stocks you can buy for a portfolio. All these updates are available here, so please do not miss this section. This is a very important section for you to see what we are actually talking on this channel is applicable and it is giving results. So please do spend some time here. And for those of you who are new to the channel, you can see this is my channel, Alpha Options. You can find it on this. So let's go to our trading view and understand what is Bank Nifty doing on a multiple time frame. So here we are on a monthly time frame. It is still in the zone and it looks bullish as of now because we have not taken down the previous 2 months lows, still intact, and high has to be taken out if we have to move further. The high of previous month was about 35985 and this month's high is about 36317. So we have already taken out the high for the previous month, which is a good sign. So let's go to a weekly range. Weekly range is in sideways completely. There is no particular trend established as of now, but yes, on a daily time frame you can see the last week video I have clearly mentioned that there will be a drop, base and a rally. So if you have noticed, it is a drop and this candle was a base, and I was expecting this candle to be a drop. During that day it was appearing to be a drop, but later it formed a base candle. So these two candles formed base because they are 50% candle and 50% body, and later the next day the rally came in. Okay, so this was a drop, base and rally. Now I'm expecting this to actually clear this level and go up. Let's see how it goes. If there is no third wave hitting us or the trends are positive, then it might create a new high from here. As of now it has not taken down this previous low. It has formed a low which is higher than the previous low, so it is creating higher lows. So it is trending, which we can identify. And on a 3-minute time frame it was very volatile, ups and downs, and it didn't go anywhere much on a Friday. So what is the strategy we are talking about if we have to sell options? So if you see the market on a daily basis, when you open the market you get to see that 36,000 is a resistance where the market is holding up, and it takes a lot of effort for it to reach 36,000 from the current levels. So what we can do is actually we can see the trend is up and there is a resistance at this level, but we don't know if buying comes in, it can clear off this level. The most safest bet is that our previous low is still intact. So what we can do is we can sell a 34,500 put and make money. And how do we do that? I will show it to you here. So assume that you are selling a 34,500 put, which is your safest bet. So it is at 41 rupees. So you sell this. Okay, so once you sell this, your estimated margin is about 1,24,000. It will be higher from first onwards. It can go up to 1,50,000. Okay, so the probability of winning is 93% because you're already in the money. So here in the trend, not in the money. So here, to save our margin, what we need to do is 34,500 is what we are selling. Okay, 34,500 is what we are selling, which is here. I'm just showing it as an example. You can actually sell a 34 can buy a 30 for 300. Okay, so this is your hedged model where your profit is about 236 only, but the max loss is about 4700, which is not at all a favorable trade. But look at the margin, it is about 21,000 is only required if you are selling this. So whenever you are selling now with this new rules, your approach should be whatever strike you're planning to sell, you have to sell that and always buy a 300 strike away a call or a put you have to buy, or make it 500. If I have to do it on an intraday basis, what I will do is that I will look at the levels on an intraday basis, like 35 600 it has taken a bounce, and 35 560 is the previous low for me. So what I will do is 35 600 put I will sell in this scenario. So 35 600 put is what I'm just giving an example. You can sell at 262 rupees. Okay, and then go to, either you can sell at 35 100 or 35,000. Let's see how it goes. 35 100, so it's a 500 points difference which I'm taking. Okay, I sold at 262, I bought a 111 price. What is my profit here? Max profit is about 3768 and max loss is about 8732. But you have to be definitely be very sure about your direction of the market, only then you will make money. And the advantage here is that if it starts to go in that direction, you will make money. If it doesn't go anywhere, then also you will make money, because that is a beauty of selling a put and buying a call. Because the sold put, if it doesn't move anywhere, theta decay will happen and you will gain benefit from that. So here, if you really don't want to have this kind of a risk, you can always exit whenever you are getting a loss, which is t plus 0 will show you the loss if it starts moving in the opposite direction. Or you can put a break-even price stop loss, which is if you have sold it at 262, put it at 260. That 260 is what will be my stop loss, or put it 250, so that the moment it goes in the reverse direction with suppose there is a lot of speed and stop losses are hit, that point of time this leg will get closed and this leg will be open, which will give you profit. So that is one way of adjusting it. So but with this kind of margin rules, you can definitely do a credit spread. And why not debit spread? Because debit spread is about gamma. You need to be very sharp in terms of catching the move, otherwise you will make a loss. But in credit spread, you can apply this strategy and wait for theta decay to happen, and you can get benefited from there. So here this is only for one lot, but if you are doing 5 lots here and 5 lots here, so your margin becomes 1,44,000 and your profit is about 18,000. 18,000 is on expiry, but within a day, if you're doing an intraday, even if you get 3,600, 3,500 or 4,000, 5,000 rupees with this kind of strategy is much easy for you to do, rather than just selling this option, naked option, putting a stop loss might be very risky, because usually in options your stop losses will be hit because of volatility. So always try to hedge your position like this, save your margin and then increase the quantity, so that your profit probability is much higher on a credit spread. I think out of 100 you will win 70% of the time, and 30% time you will lose. But that 30% of the time, whether you want to lose it or not, even that is in your hand, if you are able to cut your losses on time, the by putting a stop loss. That is also an option which you can do. If you want further safety, you can always go and sell call and make it an iron condor. So selling can happen, but always tune your mind. You're not going to sell naked, you're not going to buy naked call and put. Always try to hedge it with a 300 point or a 500 point strike away, so that your trading is in safe zone and you will never lose more than what you have already estimated. So fine tune your mind like this, you will be very successful in trading. And if you have more capital, you can increase the volume in this kind of strategies, and this will give you good returns in the long run. So that's it for this week, guys, and we will connect back next week. But hope you like this video, and please do subscribe and share it with your friends. And if any of you are interested to open an account with a low brokerage firm, please drop in your mobile number in comment section, or drop me your mobile number on Telegram. I will send a recommendation for you. Thank you so much for watching.